This is Diecast channel, and in this video I'm going to show you this 1975 Dodge Monaco police car by the Dukes of Hazzard TV show. This is a very nice car. I'm soon going to show you a 1974 model of the same car. Still going to have a little comparison between them both. Please don't forget to like this video and to subscribe my channel. So let's unbox this car and take a better look at it. Now, once the Monaco is unboxed, we can take a better look at it. This is a 1975 Dodge Monaco. It got some minor changes from 1974. As we can see, they're basically the grill mesh and the bumper brackets here that are a little bit closer in 1974, a little bit wider in 1975. Grill mesh, as we can see, it's got those rectangles both in here and here, but they're basically that. This car looks very nice. I've always liked those Dodge Monacos. I like those wheels and tires, the way the hubcaps are reproduced, the trim, mirrors, the spotlights, and all accessories that are supposed to be in a police car that are very well made. This is by the Dukes of Hazzard, so it's a Hazzard County police car. The interior is very well made. As we can see, it's got even a headliner that it didn't used to have before, so this ERTL model is a little bit better than the ones that were made in the previous years. All doors open, so we can take a better look at the interior. Dodge Monaco steering wheel, pedals, the dashboard. This part here is black, so it's a little bit difficult to see. The rear of the car is basically the same as 1974, the same tail lights, the same bumper, same trunk and trunk lid. Trunk lid is correct. It's pretty well made with very good hinges. And the interior, the trunk interior is pretty simple but pretty well made as well. The rear deck is correct with the speakers, the trim and the windows. We can even see a simulation of windows rubber gasket that goes in here. Passenger side, open both doors. Another look at the interior. It doesn't have any seat belts and stuff like that, but it's pretty well made. There's a little misalignment here in the rear door, but it's okay. The siren is correct. The antenna is made in metal, so it's a very nice piece. It's very well reproduced and very proportional. Wheels and tires. The engine, as we pop the hood open, this hood opens and closes correctly. The hinges here are a little bit thick, but not that thick as we find in some different cars. Perhaps the ERTL could improve this by using those panographic hinges along with the time. And the engine is a 440 Magnum, which is a very nice engine by Chrysler, very high performance engine. And we can see all components in here as reservoirs and wires, so wires and lines and cables, hoses, air filter, brake system. Everything here is correct. So this engine bay here is very well reproduced. It even has the stickers and decals here that come from the factory. The hood itself is well made with all reinforcements and all that stuff that's supposed to be in an engine bay. As we can see, it closes correctly. And last but not least, the bottom of the car. It's very well made. It's in the correct color, the primer color in the center and body color at the edges. The steering system, the engine is in the correct color. It doesn't look like plastic, but it really looks like an actual engine. The starter right there. Suspension, which is fixed both in front and rear. The drive shaft that doesn't turn as it turned the rear wheels, but that's okay since this is a simpler model than the Authentics. Gas tank, which is correct. Mufflers, the tires, everything here is very well reproduced. So this is a very nice car to have in a diecast collection if you like American police cars just like I do. So I'd like to thank you for all views, likes and comments. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel, to leave your comments below, and to click the bell for news. Stay tuned for new videos that are about to come. I'd like to thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.